Fuqing ShengDe Plastic and Rubber Products Company Limited was established in 1995. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales of yoga sports equipment and other products. After more than 20 years of development, the company now has over 500 employees, owning more than 30,000 square meters production research and development base, with its own standard factory buildings and automated production equipment. ShengDe controls all processes from raw materials, granulation, foaming, processing to terminal packaging, etc. It is a large-scale and industrial chain integrated company in the industry and has been awarded many honorary titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise and Fujian High-Tech Enterprise. The factory has passed BSCI, ISO 9001 inspections, and its products have passed the REACH 210, EN71, 16P odor testing of Intratec, SGS, TUV, and other authorities. Based on quality, ShengDe has a professional product inspection and monitoring team. It insists on multiple quality inspection procedures before delivery, ensuring each item is a product of high standards and strict requirements. Focusing on product research and development, product innovation, ShengDe has established its own design and research center and obtained hundreds of domestic and foreign patents so far. ShengDe takes a supply chain as a core competitiveness and perfect production tracking process to ensure the delivery timeliness of the products. ShengDe's products are sold in all corners of the world and exported to more than 50 countries and regions around the world. ShengDe has established the long-term cooperative relationships with well-known brands such as Calvin Klein, Anta, Li-Ning, Fila, Peloton, Keep, Gaiam, Sugarmat, and supermarkets such as Walmart, Kmart, Target, Costco. Small wins rely on wisdom. Big wins rely on virtue. One group, one career, one life is ShengDe's entrepreneur philosophy. Facing the future, ShengDe will adhere to the core values of unity, altruism, pragmatism, struggle, gratitude, seek common development of the company, customers, and employees, create products with ingenuity, and strive to become a world-class top enterprise in the yoga product industry.